This is the award-winning airfoil, Starboard's inflatable wingfoil board with a new technology patent pending. The airfoil is clearly different. The plate for the foil connection is on top of the board instead of underneath. We have designed an aluminum extrusion that expands along the standing area of the board and is only 1.5 centimeters thin, meaning that you, as a rider, will be standing directly on top of a very stiff, rigid surface instead of on the bouncy, flexy drop stitch. Multiple foot strap positions are available, actually 4 for the front foot straps, 5 for the back foot straps, and we are able to trim the position of a top plate foil within 5 centimeters of playroom. What does this mean? You have direct control over the foil, an immediate response to what's happening, and you will be able to have a more sensitive ride sensation, giving you more control and easy maneuverability. Now, looking at the bottom of the board, you will see this is the area where the foil gets connected to the board, just going through the hole on the drop stitch directly onto the extrusion on the other side. We developed an EPP plug that is just slid over the mast, slid down onto the board before inflation, and after inflation it will guarantee that water will just slip past this opening, reducing drag completely. When choosing your foil, it is recommended that you opt for a mast that is 12 centimeters longer than usual, as the plate recesses into the board. Another very important component on the bottom of the board is the edge release, which generates a laminar flow of the water outwards, making it much smoother to release the board and get up and flying. Because of the airfoil's unique assembly system, we are providing the hardware for the foil with the board in order to ensure that assembly works easily regardless of which foil you're using. The 18 centimeter span between foot strap inserts makes the airfoil compatible with different foot strap sizes. And it is supplied with the extra large foot straps that give more control and better trim when foiling. The airfoil also comes with a 7-foot coil leash, which will not get in the way of your feet when you're riding, but will stretch enough should you fall into the water. And just like all our deluxe inflatable boards, it comes with the Tiki pump, a double action pump that makes the inflation of the board much easier. And because it has 2 nozzles, you will be able to use it both for your airfoil board and your freewing. All of these accessories come packed in one bag made out of recycled PET bottles, which has roller wheels and shoulder carry straps, allowing you to take your board anywhere you want, also through the airports, and it has been designed to fit the board, the foil, and the freewing. The airfoil range includes 5.8 by 28, 6.5 by 29.5, and 7.0 by 31. If you're ready to travel around the world, wing foiling in all the different spaces, the airfoil is the board you're looking for. It is easy to transport due to its inflatable nature, but it's amazing to ride thanks to the extrusion on top and the incredible flight sensation that you get from being so connected to the foil.